Hey guys, and how it's going? Today we are replacing the rear wiper blade on this 2015 Ford Focus. On this style, it's super easy. Just lift this up and grab a hold of the blade and firmly pull like so. And the arm hooks onto this piece. So when to reinstall it, just line the slot up with a piece and snap it into place. Well guys, this was a quick and easy one. Now you know how to replace the rear wiper blade on this 2015 Ford Focus. And as always, like and subscribe guys, and I'll see you in the next one.